Autoblogging has been an absolute game changer for local businesses, and if you don't already know about it, you're about to now, and boy, am I going to tell you, it is going to change the way you grow your business and attract customers. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to set up an auto blog so that your business will have basically a blogger working for you who's going to improve your SEO by posting high quality blogs, but it's all going to be done by AI behind the scenes, without you having to touch anything and automatically publishing high quality blogs. I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up right here and right now. The link to this tool is in the description. Use that for a free trial. There are a few different tools that have similar names. This is by far the best one, so check it out. I use it personally for my blog, and it's helping me grow my businesses. So without further ado, let me show you how this works. So once you get in here, you can see you go to presets, right? You start your free trial, go to presets. And I'm going to do one based on getting more customers, right? So anybody who wants my business is going to be somebody who's looking for more customers. I sell marketing services for local businesses. My company, Mighty Sites, my company, New Media Retailer. So what I'm going to do first, I've talked about this tool. I'm not going to go in depth here, but basically I use a tool, and I'll put the link to this too in case you don't have a tool that you're go-to yet, but to find the keywords I can rank for. So I type in what I'm after, and I then look for the keyword difficulty, and I sort by difficulty, right? Keyword difficulty is going to tell me I want to look for very easy keywords to rank for, right? And these all have volume, right? These all have people searching for them every single month, either tens or hundreds or even thousands of people, but they're easy to rank for. That's how you make your money, right? Is by ranking for keywords that are really easy to rank for. Don't fight over those keywords that everybody's fighting over and are going to cost you millions of dollars. Just go after these keywords and get your customers this way. So I then look through this and I find the keywords that are right. So I pulled some out of here, and I picked these 5 keywords: how to solicit business, how to find potential customers online, how to attract prospects, get local customers now, how to get customers to spend more, right? Those are things a local business might be searching, and those are things that my companies can help somebody with, right? So I'm going to then set up here, getting more customers. I'm going to call my preset getting more customers. I didn't set up the brands yet. That's a brand new tool from here, but I'll explore more and more videos on that. Now you can do creative or original or factual. It all depends. I usually set mine right in the middle. I mean, this can be more creative, right? I love it to just give creative ideas about soliciting business. So this one I could be more on the creative end. If you're going to do like a blog on, optimizing for SEO or something, you might want to be more on the factual end, right? So it just depends on what you desire. I'm going to let it determine the tone of voice. I'm going to let it determine the point of view, but you can set those things up if you have a specific structure. For my call to action for this, get more customers, I could link to probably Mighty Sites would make sense for me. So my customers might be interested in reaching out to Mighty Sites, or I could link to New Media Retailer. I'm probably going to do New Media Retailer actually, because it's a local business agency. So it's a really great way to attract customers. So I'm going to plug that in, auto-generate the headlines. So it's going to basically call out, right? If somebody is looking for help getting more customers, now it's going to call them out to my business. See how that works? Low volume keyword or low keyword difficulty. So it means I'm going to rank my articles. I'm going to teach them something in these high quality articles I generate. Then I'm going to put a link to my business so that they can, contact me for service. Do you see how that funnel just got created for attracting customers? So now I just go in here, sitemap, I'm going to ignore external links. I actually like this. It makes the article seem more real, legit, when it links out to other places on the web. That's normally what people do in a blog. I could pull my YouTube videos in. I won't do that right now. But, obviously I have a YouTube channel you can embed, and it will automatically embed what, videos for you. Google license photos. I like doing this, enabling in-article images, because it just puts images into your article, kind of makes it look nice and keeps people reading. So that's it. That's my preset. So now I just create that new preset, and I jump over here to AutoBlogs. And this is where the magic starts to happen. So in my AutoBlog section, I create a new AutoBlog, and I'm going to call this Get More Customers AutoBlog. Select a preset. So I'm going to use that Getting More Customers preset I just created. I'll probably do 5 because there's 5 keywords I'm trying to target. I'll do every day. Please select an integration, Keegan's website, and then status. I want it to automatically post these blogs to my blog because I don't want to do anything, right? Once I set this up, this is all the work I'm going to do. to then start ranking my business and generating leads. So I'm going to click on create AutoBlog now, and this is going to run. So we'll let this run and then we'll check out the new. Fantastic. So now I've got my new blogs generated. I'm going to go right over here to the articles and let's check these out together. So awesome. Soliciting business, effective strategies for success. Well, that's perfect for the keyword that I was looking for. Here's my table of contents, and here's my professionally written article that talks all about how to identify target customers, create a value proposition, segment customer groups. I told you these blogs were really professional, right? And so this looks amazing. Now I can also go in here, and if I want to switch out the main image, I can just click on this and it'll give me a different image. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that image, but I can click through and just select a different image too, and it'll just scan the web for like a different image for me, right? So that looks good, fine. I'm not going to play around with it too much here. Now I can just scroll through and check out all these new articles that got created for me. I can also, if I didn't set it up to automatically post, I just click here to post. But since mine are set up to automatically post, I'm going to go right in here and show you these posts. So I'm going to jump in here, and here they are. They've all automatically posted to my blog. Again, I didn't have to touch anything, and now I'm auto blogging. And I set that up for 5, right? But you could just do 10, and then you'd be blogging, 10, that'd be 300 blogs a month, right? So you could do hundreds, tens of blogs, whatever you want. Just pick the package that's right for your business, and all of a sudden you're blogging on a regular basis. Now, here's what's really cool about this. So if I jump into this one, so this is the attracting prospects one, it's going to create a new blog targeted at these keywords every single day now, right? So every single day, it's like I wrote 5 high quality blogs, and you can see how awesome this blog is too, right? Now this one talks about building an online presence, optimizing your website for search engines, implementing, I mean, it's amazing. And it's all targeted at attracting prospects, right? Now here's the other cool thing. See this readability analysis? I use Yoast on WordPress. The readability analysis is good, right? So right from the get-go, this is an easy to read blog, which I told you this is the highest quality generator. And then all I have to do, what is this one? This is attracting prospects. So all I have to do, jump over here, attracting prospects was the keyword. So I put that in and it's already okay, right? I could use Yoast tools to further optimize it. It's gonna be simple things like there's no meta description, headline. I could add internal links, and it's gonna jump that up to green really quickly and easily. In fact, I'll do that right now so it jumps to green and you can see what I mean. So if you do want to actually get involved at all, now again, depends on your competitiveness. I'd probably just leave this and let this go totally on autopilot and not touch it anymore. But I'll show you how easy it is to now, even by Yoast standards, make this a green in readability and a green in SEO optimization. Literally all I had to do was put an internal link back to a different part of my blog in here. So there's an internal link, there's already external links, and I wrote a meta description. I told you, and now the SEO and the readability are both ranked green on this blog, which is amazing. So now I just click update, and it's going to be the same for all those other 5 blogs I did. The readability is all going to be there. As soon as you're going to see that Yoast is going to do the readability analysis, and it's going to jump to good, which is great. And then I can just do the SEO analysis if I want, or I can just leave it be, right? And these are already really nice readable blogs. And so that's it. So if you want to start growing your business faster and quicker, just start auto blogging. Create an auto blog, hit that link below. You'll start a free trial. Again, there's a few of these. This is obviously clearly the best one. Get started. See you in the next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe and like button to share this with others so that we can grow our local businesses together. Thanks so much for joining me. Appreciate you.